This right here is PayPal Money, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make PayPal Money for free by watching videos online. And as I say, I'm going to show you how you can make PayPal Money by watching videos online. This method is available in over 100 different countries. You don't need any money or skills to get started. It's completely free, and it's a completely free opportunity for you to sit back, watch videos and earn PayPal Money online. And this platform pays very quickly, so it's a great way to earn PayPal Money fast. And the reasons why you can do this is because you don't need any skills at all. You just literally need a computer or a phone with internet connection. You don't need any money to get started, so all the PayPal money you earn is for completely free. You don't need any experience. As I say, this is going to be a step-by-step video how you can do this. You don't need to do any work, you just need to watch videos online. But as I say, stick around until the end of this video so you can learn exactly how to do this step by step, and let's get started. And before I get into this, I just want to make it clear that most people only make a few dollars or cents per day because they don't know the keys, and 99% of the people who close the video halfway or skip through the video fail to make any money. So this is definitely a tip for you. So let's get started. And make sure to stay until the end of this video that you don't miss any of these key points, which is important, which will essentially help you earn more money through this method, and that you also know how to receive payments via PayPal with this method, and that you don't fail at this easy and profitable method. But let's get straight into it. Let's head over to the website where you will be earning money or PayPal money by watching videos online. And the website that I want to show you is called earnably.com. And here you can perform digital tasks, as I say, watching videos online, and get compensated in terms of various different rewards. So Amazon gift cards, reward card, MasterCard. You can see there's Domino Pizzas, there's Starbucks gift cards, PlayStation Store, and as well as PayPal Cash straight to your PayPal account. And there are many different tasks that you can perform on this website, but in this specific video, let's get straight into watching videos and how to make PayPal Cash watching videos. I'm quickly going to sign into my account and show you how you can make money online watching videos. So I am signed in with my account, and I'm going to show you how you can make PayPal Cash by watching videos on this platform. And if you look at the top left of the website, there is a tab called Earn, Redeem, Invite and Help. You want to hover over the Earn tab. You will see they've got the options of offer walls, daily surveys, videos, tasks and apps. So you can also, as I say, perform different tasks. You can play apps and earn money reviewing or playing those apps. But with the purpose of this video, we're going to show you how you can make money, PayPal money, by watching videos online. So let's click on videos and show you how you can make money watching videos online. So once you click on that tab, there are going to be three different options or three different platforms that you can use to watch videos and essentially get paid PayPal Cash. And you can see they've got Hideout.tv, AceWall and Video Fox. So there are over three platforms that you can earn three streams of income from, which is very handy. But in this video, I'm going to use Hideout.tv, as in my opinion, that is definitely the best one to use, as it does pay pretty well. And you'll see once you choose your option, there will be a whole bunch of offers for you to complete to earn points, which can be exchanged for PayPal Cash, which I'll show you towards halfway or at the end of this video how you can withdraw to your PayPal account. And you can see they've got different topics or categories such as automotive reviews, entertainment videos, TV, mobile, web only, health and wellness videos, entertainment again, auto pairs, more health and wellness and automotive reviews. So there are a whole bunch of different categories that you can choose from and watch at the same time to essentially earn PayPal Cash online. And what you want to do is, if you want to earn money by watching one of these videos, choose a video that you like. So for example, I'm going to use the automotive reviews one, and once you click on the 1 point button, it'll open up a tab like this where the video will open up in a new window, whether you're on Mac or Windows. And what you want to do is you want to watch the video until the end, and you will see that you will get 1 point for watching this video. And I'm going to get into now how you can transfer or exchange these points for PayPal Cash, how much the points are worth, and how much you can essentially make on a platform like this, and by watching multiple videos at the same time as well. And all you need to do is just click on the point button, watch the video that will take a couple of seconds, whether it's a minute long, until the end. You will essentially get paid points for this, and then you can get paid or to exchange these points for PayPal Cash, which can be withdrawn straight to your local bank account into cash. So it's a very simple method. It's really easy to do. So let's get into what the actual points are worth, how much PayPal Cash you can pretty much earn on this website. So you can see with the redeeming on this website, it's not gift cards or anything like that. It's real PayPal money that you can withdraw into cash, and you can also choose auto redeem, so whenever you get points it automatically redeems those points into PayPal cash. Otherwise you can do a manual redeem now, which I recommend, because I mean 1% fee for an auto redeem is a little bit unnecessary for me. So definitely, once you get enough points, you can use the redeem now button, where you will get real PayPal cash. And you can see that for 125 points, you can withdraw $1 of PayPal cash. But if I were you, I would definitely go for the 500 points for $500. As you can see, it's a much better deal. Instead of 125 points per dollar, you're getting at 100 points per dollar. So if I were you, definitely save up for the 500 points. You can also save up for the 225 points, where you save a couple of points as well. So instead of 125 points per dollar, it's maybe 112.5 per dollar on the $2. But my favorite, or the one that I recommend, is 500 points for $5, as you are getting the best value for your points and money. And once you get to 4,000 or 9,925 points, you can withdraw up to $100 PayPal cash. And you can see they mark this down from 10,000 points to 9,925, and they really give you good value for your points. So you're really getting a good amount for these points that you've now earned. But my favorite is definitely the 500 points, as it will take some time before you earn 4,900 and 9,000 points. So I definitely recommend 500 points for $5 cash. And I think this is really cool. I mean, as all you are doing is you are watching videos online, you are getting points for it. You can literally leave your computer running overnight, playing a video or multiple videos in multiple tabs, earning points, bunch of points at the same time, and you can redeem these points on a daily or weekly basis and earn some income literally by watching videos online, which is really a great method. And what's nice about some of these videos, some of them have adverts popping up in the videos that you're meant to watch, so you will also earn points on top of the original amount of points. So for example, 1 point in this video, you will earn more and more points for the amount of ads that you also watch on top of this video, which is very handy. So imagine you're running 10, 20 videos and 20 tabs, the amount of points that you could be earning. So it's very useful, and it's a great way to get started online and earn some money online in one of the most fun and easy ways, by watching videos online. But as I say, if you do skip parts of the videos, or if you do close the video, you're not going to earn the amount of points or the real PayPal money that you want to earn. It might not come through. It will pick it up that you've skipped the video. So my ideal tip is leave the videos running on your computer, whether you're going out for the day or you're going to bed at night. Just leave the videos running on your computer, earning all points and racking up those points, which is essentially real PayPal money that you can withdraw into cash. So I think this is a great method, definitely a great way to get started online. But definitely, if you do give this a try, let me know in the comments in a future video how it goes, and I will definitely get back to you on that. But if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, leave a like down below. I will really appreciate it, and subscribe if you're new to receive some awesome content on how you can make money online. As I showed you, watching videos online, playing games, there are so many different cool tricks and ways that I want to show you guys and share with you guys to really get started online and earn some good cash online. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.